This year, my job is to help ensure the health and safety of our community, but I can't do this alone. While we can't eliminate the risk of returning to grounds, we can each do our part to keep each other healthy. Together, we need to advocate for a culture of responsibility, not only for ourselves, but for the safety and well-being of everyone.
We are finally back, but we know this year is going to be a different one, and it's going to require us to reimagine what our daily lives on grounds look like. We all want to go back to the lives we remember, but pretending like everything is normal will put people's lives at risk. We need to strike a balance between being safe and being human. I'm still planning on connecting with friends, celebrating the Who's, and enjoying grounds this fall. We just need to find ways to still do the things we love, like eating lunch on the lawn, 6 feet apart.
Social interaction is a central part of the university experience, but we will need to change how we socialize in order to reduce the risk to the university and Charlottesville community.
I still want to socialize, so I do so outside in small groups, and I'm careful to stay 6 feet apart. I can enjoy myself more knowing that I'm keeping the people I love safe. I've also realized that spending time in smaller groups can be a great opportunity to get even closer to the people who really matter to me.
With that being said, protect others and protect yourself. Possible assumptions about whether the people around you are at risk don't mean you aren't putting them in harm's way. Are you willing to put your friends, classmates, and professors in danger?
As UVA students, it's our responsibility to follow university and public health guidelines. Behaving in a way that repeatedly, intentionally, or recklessly endangers the health and safety of others will result in disciplinary action.
Unity is one of the 5 pillars of our men's basketball program, and we have to do this together. Look out for your fellow Who's. Get tested if you have symptoms, report to student health, and quarantine.
Over the summer, we've been working hard to make sure our buildings and classrooms are as safe as possible for your return to grounds. We've marked places to enter and to exit buildings in order to minimize contact, as well as reordered seating arrangements and set signs for required separation.
We've always known cleanliness is important, but now more than ever, good hygiene is a must. Make sure to wash and sanitize your hands, cover when you cough or sneeze, and stay home when you're sick.
One of the most effective ways to stop the spread of coronavirus is by wearing a mask. This year, all students will be required to wear face coverings, and I ask that you not only wear them when on grounds, but also when in the Charlottesville community. When thinking about coronavirus, we have to talk about equity. And it's important to note that Black, brown, and low-income communities are disproportionately affected by coronavirus. So when we talk about being a good neighbor to the Charlottesville community, it's so important that you wear a mask because you could be saving lives.
Like many of the faculty and staff at the university, we all go home to families, and we all want to be sure they stay healthy. Many of our family members include high-risk individuals, and it is our job to protect them. Real talk, it's important that during this outbreak, we're able to determine who's been infected by or has been exposed to the virus. That's how we can properly contain it. So, listen up. Cooperate with the health department if they contact you about a potential exposure. It's just as important for you to protect your friends as it is for me to protect my family.
Every day, please think about how your actions will impact others. UVA isn't complete without you. Do your part to keep us together, to keep us learning, to keep us building long-lasting relationships, to keep us healthy.